So now you've made the second side of your seam, and you've got something that'll actually hold things. You actually have a clutch now. So it kind of looks a little messy because we need to weave in the ends. So I'm going to do one for you to show you here. And I'm going to work this one in on the end because it's kind of special. And the rest of them you can just weave in like you normally do. So you're going to thread your yarn needle. This is a nice worsted weight yarn, so I can use a nice fatty yarn here, fatty yarn needle to do this. And this is that last slip stitch that we did. I'm just going to tug it a little bit to tighten it up, to tighten up that corner a little bit so that nothing slips through. And then I'm going to work back down and around. And it doesn't matter if you actually poke through the worsted weight yarn here, because that's okay. That's just one more level of security that you've got. Then I'm going to come back up and I'm going to go back down through that slip stitch again, down through the same hole. And out the side. And look at that, it made a nice little clean corner on that. See how gorgeous that is? Then I can just run this right up under that row of single crochet stitches, and it takes a little bit of fiddling, but you know that from weaving in ends. And I just go a couple of inches up. You just don't want that coming loose when you start moving around a lot. I'm going to pull that up. I'm going to pull it a little too tight, just a little bit when I snug this. And watch what I'm going to do here. And just pull that. See how that end starts to come in a little bit? I'll do that again. Just that much. Give it one more little pull. Cut the yarn. And then just smooth that back out. Do you see that end just disappeared down inside of there? Look at that gorgeous corner. Finished. Beautiful. You finish up the rest of them.